Simplify 3x squared minus 12 is equal to 6x. So, kunin natin yung GCF ng 3 and 12. So, yung GCF nila ay 3. So, yung variable naman, hindi naman common yung variable kasi yung 12 walang kasamang variable. So, yung kukunin lang natin na GCF ay yung 3, yung coefficient lang. So, ngayon, divide na natin. 3x squared divided by 3. So, 1x squared na lang. So, yung 1, di na natin yan sinusulat. And negative 12 divided by 3 is equal to negative 4. Over, so 6x. So, sunod nito, pwede natin i-cancel yung 3 over 6x. So, kunin natin yung GCF din nila, or kung saan natin sila pwedeng i-divide, yung 3 and 6 sa 3 din. So, 3 divided by 3 equals 1 na lang yan. And 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. So, therefore, ang naiwan dito ay 1 times x squared minus 4 over, so 2x. Ayan. So, yung x squared minus 4, so actually, pwede na nating wag isulat yung 1 kasi automatic na meron niyang 1 dyan. So, yung x squared minus 4 ay factorable siya by the difference of 2 square. So, sundin lang natin yung pattern. So, ganito yung pattern yan. A plus B and A minus B. Kapag factorable siya by the difference of 2 squares. So, yung A, ito yung first term, second term yung B. So, what is the perfect square? What is the square root of x squared? So, x. So, yan. And then, what is the square root of 4? 2. And then, plus, minus, sundin natin. Plus, minus. Over 2x, tama. So, okay. Simplify na natin. Hindi naman na pwedeng i-cancel eh. So, ito na yung simplified form.